We're starting on the north side of the home at a 4-inch clean out, going downstream. Hold on one second. Go ahead. Alright, wait. Go ahead.
Right there?
Stop right there.
No?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Hold on.
Then he went blind, and so then, when you have dogs that go diabetic, the vets don't really know how to handle it. We had to figure it out for ourselves.
Yeah.
But anyways, I had an operation on him. Brought him in 8 o'clock in the morning, picked him up at 2, and you can see.
You say, hold on. Oh, you want him in 8 o'clock in the morning, pick him up at 2, you can see?
And you can see, yeah.
Yeah, why that don't happen like that for people?
It does.
Yeah?
It does. When you have cataract.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Oh yeah,
That's
talking about they
what
clean it up.
Yeah, they vibrate it, and the gel comes out.
Yeah.
And then they put a new lens in.
Oh.
It's expensive, but we had.
And the lens lasts for 10 years or 20, something like that, right?
Yeah. But it happened to be when he. All my dogs, I always have health insurance for them because I just do it.
You know that you're gonna use it.
You do. So they paid for half of it. It was like $6 grand. They paid for 3.
Oh, okay.
So what the hell? Why not?
Okay, well, we're good right there. So this is our hard spot right here. This is the baby. All right.
It looks bigger than the other time, huh?
It grew.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they go.
Wish my bank account grew like that.
Yeah. Hell, I wish I had a bank account. Are you kidding me?
At least you have a bank account.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had a bank account about 5 years ago. I should have moved out here a long time. I've been here 25 years. Just anywhere.
Move around.
You know what?
Yeah.
It takes me. I got to walk 100 feet. I sleep in this room here. I got to walk 100 feet to get a damn beer.
Oh,
You know, and 100 feet to
It's
go
too much.
throw the can away. You know what I mean?
it's too much.
I'm tired of walking around this house. I know it's terrible of me, but I can't destroy it. That's why it's coming.
Squirrels need love too.
Huh?
Squirrels need love too.
Absolutely. Because they come out looking for me. I'm too soft hearted, that's the problem. I come out, I see the squirrel, they know me.
They know what time it is. Alright, so we're gonna let the water drain and we'll pull back.